Hello my beauties, have you ever noticed that some people naturally smell amazing? The scent of beauty, the scent of simplicity, even without perfume. Today I'm sharing my secrets to feeling fresh and smelling good in your own skin. This is a simple, effective and budget-friendly routine. Not too many products, just what you need to feel fresh, good, without exaggeration. Alright, let's move on the first step. Before taking a shower, it's essential to apply oils on your scalp. For example, you can use a hair growth oil, an oil that helps eliminate odor and dandruff, or simply a nourishing oil. It all depends on your goal. For example, sesame oil to nourish hair, rosemary oil to stimulate hair growth. Don't skip this step. It's a perfect opportunity to give your hair some extra care. Personally, I always use these three oils: sesame, castor or avocado oil. Sometimes I use them on their own and sometimes I mix them all together. It's the perfect way to get hydration, boost your hair growth and maintain healthy, clean scalp. Apply oils only on the roots, and for the lines, apply a nourishing mask and let it sit for 1 or 2 hours before you shower. Right now, I'm using the Herbal Essence mask before showering and a second repair mask after washing my hair because my hair is damaged, but honestly, one mask will be enough. So go ahead and mix your favorite oils in the bottle you've definitely seen on social media, affordable, effective and easily available online, or just use your hands to apply oils and gently massage your scalp. Apply oils only on the roots. On the length, apply a nourishing mask and let it sit for 1 or 2 hours before your shower. My favorite combo, black soap and the Lefa exfoliating gloves. Why black soap? Well, it deeply cleanses the skin, removing impurities and excess oil. It's ideal for oily or acne-prone skin. Natural exfoliant that removes dead skin cells, leave your skin soft and radiant. Purifying and cleansing, fight bacteria and reduces blemishes. It's nourishing and moisturizing, rich in vitamin E and fatty acid. Relates oil production, reduces shine without drying, and soothes redness. And for the gloves, after steaming your skin, put a little black soap on the gloves and gently scrubbing in circular motion. The gloves removes dead skin cells, smooth the skin, boosts blood circulation, and help reduce cellulite. It improves skin elasticity and prevents outgrown hairs. It removes product buildup, allowing creams to absorb better, giving you a deep clean. It's eco-friendly, reusable, and budget-friendly. What more could you want? I always keep it with me. Just make sure to wash it well after your shower. Don't leave it in the bathroom to avoid bacteria buildup. And hang it in the sun so you can use it safely next time. So after rinsing, use a gentle exfoliant only on the area with ingrown hairs or underarms. Before shaving, use a good razor, and for intimate area, I personally use intimate cleansing gel since it suits sensitive skin. For hair, rinse with lukewarm water, shampoo your scalp, apply a mask on the length and rinse everything out. Wash your hair at most twice a week. So many of you ask why not start with a shampoo first. As a shampoo and conditioner leave a residue on the skin. If you wash your hair first, Lefa gloves and black soap can't work properly. Goal of this routine is to step out of the shower with pure skin, free of any leftover products, so your cream absorbs better and your perfume smells clean and stronger. For the oral care, brush your teeth, use a floss, or like me, interdontal brushes for freshness. Brush your teeth just 2 minutes and you feel super fresh. After the shower, dry your body and hair with a towel. Relax a bit, then apply a hydrating cream to your skin. At least one certificated organic or pharmacy brand like CeraVe. Sometimes I match my body cream with a fragrance I'm wearing. For deodorant tips, I stopped using deodorant a while ago. Instead, I use glycolic acid. It exfoliates, brightens, naturalizes odors, and keeps my perfume scent pure. Just apply with a cotton pad, no mixed smells, only your fragrance. So this is a simple and effective routine will completely transform your skin and help your perfume last longer. Without needing hundreds of products, the secret: clean, prepared, and hydrated skin. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tell me in the comments which products you've tried, and see you soon.